Yeah, so YEEZY jumped over the Jumpman, and I love it. I love it. It had to be done, right? So let's get into this. $700s. Let's see what I got. Oh, oh. Okay. So color. Oh, Flight Club. I thought she was gonna get these from what's the name of that XX? What's the name of that store? The website StockX. Okay, so she got some stuff from Flight Club. Now, to be honest, I don't know where the hell to buy Yeezys from a regular website, like Yeezy Supply or Adidas. Like they're sold out. I don't even check no more. You know what I'm saying? So if anybody knows how to buy a pair of Yeezys minus the aftermarket price, let me know. But yeah, so she got these. Let me see. Do not remove the tag. This product has been Flight Club approved. So somebody resold these. Smell like a sneaker store. I'm assuming nobody, was out wearing these. All right, cool. Okay, so this is definitely the right. Yeah, this is exactly the ones. Okay, she knows me. Got some extra laces. It should be a different color. That's my style. I like having, like what I would do with these. See how these come in black laces, whatever. I would choose like either this taupe, whatever this color is right here, maybe the silver or the reflector, or like the blue, and I'll have like the laces, like, you know what I'm saying. I usually like choose like the whatever's the least amount color on here, and make the laces that. That's like a little style thing I do. All right, so that, yeah. So they got extra laces. Okay. Yeezy 700. What is this, version 3? Okay, cool. Put that there. Flight Club. Quality looks dope. Oh, these are kind of like, see with the light. Okay. Now, I have a pair of Yeezy boots. I wear a size 10, 10 and a half. When I buy like, what is it, Jordan 3s? I think the 3s, I could wear 10, but I gotta put like an extra sole in the motherfucker. Like they run kind of big, whatever. The Yeezy boots, I don't know what it is, but them shits fit different. Like it's like the opposite. I need like a 10 and a half. So I asked for a 10 and a half. Let me see. No. Oh, yeah. Okay, there are 10. I thought it said 10. Yeah, these are 10 and a half. Okay, cool. All right, so these are the Yeezy 700 version 3, V3. Originals, blah, 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 blah. All right, she look dope. We have to take a deeper dive into this right here, really break it down. Okay. So, and if you're liking this unboxing so far, let me know in the comments. To continue watching the entire unboxing, click the video right here. We're gonna get into this right here.